I've been trading for a while now, and I've tried quite a few platforms. Some were decent, others were, let's just say, not so great. But recently I came across Omega Global Plus, and honestly, I feel like it's changed the way I approach trading. When I first landed on their site, what caught my eye was how clean and professional it looked. Everything was laid out so clearly, it just felt approachable. For someone like me who likes things to be straightforward, this was already a good sign. I decided to dive in and see what they offered. The first thing I noticed was the variety of markets. Stocks, Forex, crypto, commodities, indices, futures, it's all there. And it's not just a token offering of each, they really go deep. For instance, in the crypto section, you're not limited to just Bitcoin and Ethereum. They've got a whole range of coins, and the tools they provide for analyzing these markets are top-notch. I'll get into those tools in a bit, because they really stood out to me. Setting up my account was surprisingly quick. You just fill out a few basic details, fund your account, and you're good to go. No unnecessary back and forth, it felt seamless. I remember thinking, wow, this is probably one of the easiest onboarding processes I've experienced. Once I was in, I spent a bit of time exploring the platform. Let me tell you, the tools here are something else. I'm talking advanced charts, real-time analytics, calculators. It's like they've thought of everything. And the customization options are great too. I could set up the charts just the way I like them, which is important because everyone has their own style of trading, right? One feature I really appreciated was their real-time market data. You know how sometimes on other platforms, there's this annoying lag, and by the time you react, it's too late? None of that here. The data is live, and the execution speed is incredibly fast. For someone like me who trades Forex and crypto, where timing is crucial, this made a huge difference. Speaking of Forex, their spreads are super competitive. I've used platforms where the spreads eat into your profits, but here, I felt like I was actually trading on fair terms. And with crypto, the volatility can be nerve-wracking, but their tools helped me make sense of the chaos. It felt like I had an edge. Another thing I liked was how beginner-friendly the platform is. Now, I wouldn't call myself a beginner anymore, but I remember those early days when everything felt overwhelming. Omega Global Plus seems to understand that not everyone comes in with a ton of experience. They have educational resources, webinars, tutorials, and market insights that even seasoned traders like me can benefit from. Let's talk about security for a second because, honestly, that's a big deal for me. With so many platforms out there, you want to make sure your funds and data are safe. Omega Global Plus uses encryption and other advanced security features. It gave me peace of mind knowing that they're serious about protecting their users. Now, I'm not just here to gush about the platform. There were a couple of things I think they could improve. For example, while the customer support is available 24/5, I had a minor issue once that took a little longer to resolve than I'd like. That said, when they did respond, they were professional and helpful. So it wasn't a deal breaker for me, but it's something I think they could work on. One aspect I really want to highlight is their account options. I started with their basic account, and it was perfect for getting a feel for the platform. But they also have gold and VIP accounts with additional perks. If you're someone who trades larger volumes or wants more personalized support, upgrading might be worth it. I'm considering it myself because the gold account offers things like monthly sessions with an analyst, which sounds valuable. Now let's circle back to the actual trading experience because that's what matters most, right? I found the interface intuitive. Whether you're buying shares of a company, trading Forex pairs, or diving into crypto, everything feels smooth. The layout is clear, and you don't have to fumble around trying to figure out what's where. What I found especially useful were the alerts. You can set them up for specific price points or market changes, so you're always in the loop, even if you're not glued to your screen. This was a game changer for me because I could step away, knowing I wouldn't miss important opportunities. Another thing I want to mention is the community. Omega Global Plus isn't just a platform. It feels like they're building a network of traders. They have forums and spaces where you can interact with other users, share strategies, and even learn from each other. It's not something I've used a lot yet, but it's nice to know it's there.